I'm Sitaraman, Chairman Super Auto Forge, Chennai. Nextenoid started some 25 years back by Siva Subramaniam as a very small unit to manufacture chillers and panel coolers. Has grown into a respectable mid-sized company making a variety of products. Knowing Shiva very well from his early days, I am not surprised at all. A sharp intellect, willing to work very hard with perseverance, Shiva kept adding more products to the range of his products. I remember ordering our first panel cooler in 1998. Subsequently, we've been buying very regularly a host of other products from Nextenoid. Shiva always went an extra mile to make a perfect product. His service team never let us once, anytime. Needless to say that SAF is a satisfied customer of Nextenoid. Today, Nextenoid offers a wide variety of products including chillers, fume extractor systems, filtration systems and many allied products. I am sure Shiva will take his firm to much greater heights. I wish Shiva and his colleagues the very best in their endeavors. Thank you.